Hey loves, this video is all about henna glosses and how you can use a henna gloss to assist with your hair growth goals. So if you're interested in learning about what a henna gloss is and seeing how I prepare my henna gloss for my type 4 low porosity hair, keep watching. Quick announcement, I'll be hosting a 30-day hair growth challenge starting in September. If you are interested in joining the challenge or a community dedicated to hair growth, join my Facebook group called the Healthy Hair Lounge. There I'll share info about challenges, host exclusive giveaways, and the list goes on. I'll leave details down below. Okay, let's talk a bit about what a henna gloss is and what the benefits are of using a henna gloss. A henna gloss is a watered down version of a full strength henna treatment. Basically, it's henna diluted with a conditioner. What's awesome about a henna gloss is it helps strengthen your hair while imparting moisture. Low key, it's kind of like a lighter protein treatment that also moisturizes your hair. What are the benefits of a henna gloss? It strengthens your hair, imparts shine, it's easier to apply and wash out. The color results are less noticeable and somewhat temporary. So let's jump into the recipe. I pretty much use the same ingredients I use in my full strength henna treatment, so please check out that video if you want to know why I'm using certain ingredients. All of the ingredients will be linked down below. I start by steeping 1 green tea bag in 1 cup of water. Next, I'm adding about 1/8 a cup of Nepur henna into my bowl. Remember, this specific henna is packed with other amazing Ayurvedic powders that promote growth. After 5 minutes, I'll slowly add 1/2 a cup of green tea into my henna. Next, I'll add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, which helps the henna gloss's consistency and has other beneficial properties. You want to make sure you mix the henna well. If it's too thick and chunky for your liking, feel free to add a little bit more oil to your water, but you don't want to do too much because you don't want your mixture to be watery. Then I'll add 1 tablespoon of honey, which helps with softening your hair. Then you want to mix until it's very smooth. Once you've added these ingredients and your henna is smooth, cover your bowl and place it in a dark place for 24 hours. After 24 hours, I add 1 tablespoon of my Aussie Moist 3-Minute Miracle Conditioner and 1 tablespoon of my Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Intensive Hydrating Conditioner because these are both super hydrating, moisturizing conditioners, which helps balance out the strengthening effect of the henna. And then you want to mix everything together. See how the henna is turning to a lighter brown? This is essentially the conditioner diluting the henna. A lot of people use way more conditioner to further dilute their henna gloss, but this mixture works perfectly for my hair, giving it the perfect balance between moisture and strength. So I recommend you test this out and do what works best for your hair. Next, apply it to your hair. Since this has conditioner in it, you don't want to apply it or massage it directly into your scalp because it could clog your follicles. Instead, focus on applying it to your actual hair strands. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.